Maybach music.
Coming in at number 10, we have a dog who I hold very near and dear to my heart, and his name is Dog. He comes from the web series known as Dog Time, and I believe this clip in specific is from the episode Video Gaming Dog 2. If you would like to watch it for yourself, the channel series is hosted on is called YoRick008.
Maybach music.
This next dog is actually the same dog I discussed previously, Dog. This one is from the same channel, YoRick008, but he's actually, instead of Video Gaming Dog 2, he's from the episode 3, titled Dog Time Episode 3.
Maybach music.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way at, way at, way at, way at. Now there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Sorry, Brian, it's just not doing it today. Do the peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Maybach music. Maybach music.
Strong in the dark side, these dogs are. No, stuck by me, will not defeat me. My strongest weapon, my lightsabers. Away from me, get! No, stop! Stop! My saber, I dropped! No, me don't kill! Get away, dogs!
Maybach music.
Ryan, look out! No, Ryan!
Oh my God! Brian! Brian, can you hear me?
Holy crap, what the hell happened?
That guy sucked.
Maybach music.
Right now, you can see this truly amazing dog right here. Not only is he a Mario fan and hates Sonic, but he despises the mere existence that this hedgehog brought to this corrupt world that we live in, by mauling down on this wretched filth that we call a video game character. Truly amazing. His owner must have trained him very well for him to act like this. I salute him.
Maybach music. Maybach music.
Look at little Tim sleeping so soundly.
Wake up, Tim, and what if there's a monster?
Don't be scared, Timmy, or he'll eat you. Monsters smell fear looking for you.
I got a safety torch. Put it on your board, it's a safety torch. Put it in the hallway, safety torch. Scare the monsters away, safety torch. That'll be $50.
But my house is on fire!
Tim, things are looking grim.